Do we really have to deal with Corneo again?
Got no other choice.
What? Did you guys get into it with him or something?
I don't want to talk about it.
Hey, Cloud, what happened?
Don't recall.
Really, it's fine. Let me do this. Then we won't have to worry about money. Might be he's asleep.
I heard shouting coming from the mansion. Is something going
If it
on?
isn't Cloud.
We're looking for a way topside. No one?
And luck with that. Security's so tight these days that not even a gnat could slip through. Wall Market's in a sorry state, too. Corneo's men are turning it upside down looking for Avalanche. The man with a gun for an arm.
What? Got a problem?
No, but you might. Corneo's men are searching high and low for an Avalanche member who fits your description. Shinra has placed a very impressive bounty on you and your friends' heads. And a lot of people are looking to get rich.
Ain't these fools got anything better to do?
You should also know that you and that arm of yours were spotted in the Sector 5 slums. Apparently, you were loitering in a rather lovely flower garden.
Oh, yeah? Wait,
This is bad. Really bad.
let's move.
What you doing here at a time like this?
You dears go.
We're opening our doors extra early today.
All those waiting to enter the Honeybee Inn, please form a line.
Hey, what's up, man? You vibing with this jam too? You can have a copy if you want.
I thought for sure we wouldn't get any customers today. But man, was I wrong.
If you leave the line, you forfeit your place.
A pleasure to see you again,
cannot
sir.
save a spot for
You a
free.
regular?
We're here to see Andrea.
Terribly sorry, sir. Mr. Rodea is currently training at the gym. Since you're here, sir, might you favor us with another dazzling performance?
No.
Sometimes you gotta Would you look at that line? A regular. I'm still feeling pretty shaken up. The
sleep isn't the cure for everything.
Even if you love the artist, you don't need more than one copy.
Thought a little liquid courage.
I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far. I've done it. I've developed a new material. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
See all those Shinra troopers?
It's been hours now. Don't you think you've done enough? Believe me, I ought to know.
Nope. Not yet. Andy. Cloud, how are you?
I was hoping you knew a way we could get topside.
Sorry, but it's not possible. Well, well. What do we have here? I can see you're someone who likes to train to be their very best.
Me?
Your physique, slender yet toned, and that perfectly balanced symmetry. I can tell from a glance that you learned from the best there is. But your muscles look tight, which can only mean one thing. You're conflicted.
Tifa? Excuse me. You're Tifa, right? While you're here, want to give Andy a run for his money?
Work up a sweat, release some endorphins. It's the answer to everything. I promise.
I'm in, if you are. All right then. The winner will be the one who does the most pull-ups. Let's not disappoint each other.
Your form's looking good. I knew you could do it. That's how it's done.
Not bad at all.
You've got this. Come on. That's how it's done.
Not bad at all.
Your form's looking good. I knew you could do it. That's how it's done. You've got this. Come on. Your form's looking good.
Thank you. I had quite a wonderful time. I hope you know that a single loss means nothing. The important thing is to keep trying. Never give up the fight. Are you ready? Together we will surpass our limits.
Not bad at all.
You've got this. Come on. That's how it's done. Your form's looking good. I knew you could do it. You've got this. Come on. That's how it's done.
Your form's looking good. Not bad at all. Your form's looking good. You've got this. Come on. I knew you could do it. That's how it's done. Your form's looking good. I knew you could do it.
You can do better than that. Much better.
It seems you've bested me, Tifa.
I can't believe I won.
Your fiery passion pushed me to my limits and helped me to overcome my lingering stress and fatigue. I'll be taking the stage tonight in the best condition of my life. Thank you.
No, thank you for the same.
To commemorate the evening, I would be honored if you joined me on stage for a performance someday.
Hey, you think it's got something to do with it?
So,
Well, if you change your mind, we'd love to have you back.
Wow. Would you look at that
Thought a little liquid courage.
See all those shimmers?
There's always time for training. There's always time for training.
Here for a little training? Bringing everything I've got. You got this. Come on. Not bad at all. I knew you could do it. Your form's looking good. I have faith in you guys. That's how it's done. You got this. Come on. Your form's looking good. That's how it's done. Look at good. Let me see you sweat. I knew you could do it. One more rep. Not bad at all. I knew you could do it. Come on. I know you've got more to give. Your form's looking good. You got this. Come on. That's how it's done. I knew you could do it. Yeah, what'd I tell ya? If you ever want a rematch, you're more than welcome to one. You want to go, do ya? All right, then, bring it on. Are you ready for this? You got this, come on. Not bad at all. Your form's looking good. Now don't forget to breathe. I knew you could do it. That's how it's done. You two are doing awesome. Not bad at all. You got this. Come on. I knew you could do it. Your form's looking good. Yeah. Feel the burn.
Shit!
That's how it's done.
Not bad at all.
Your form's looking good.
Yeah, what'd I tell ya? Come on, is that all you got? Let me see your fire! Those who sweat together get swole together! You can back out if you're scared.
You got this. Come on. You can do better than that.
Here for a little training? You can back out if you're scared.
You got this. Come on. Your form's looking good. I knew you could do it.
Not bad at all.
I have faith in you guys. That's how it's done. I knew you could do it. You got this. Come on.
Not bad at all.
Your form's looking good. I knew you could do it. You got this. Come on.
Not bad at all.
That's how it's done. I knew you could do it! Your form's looking good! You got this, come on!
Not bad at all.
Your form's looking good! That's how it's done! Yeah! Feel the burn! I knew you could do it!
No!
Worked up a good sweat.
You beat me fair and square. You really are a true champion!
I hope you're all warmed up.
You're better than I thought! So much training do you do?
Woo!
Slow and steady. 1, 2, 1, 2. Poetry in motion. I believe in you. You are in the zone. So much training do you do? Who'd have thought it'd be this close? Poetry in motion. You're better than I thought. I can hear your muscles crying out in joy and pain. You are in the zone! I believe in you! So much training do you do? So much training do you do? I can't get enough of those beautiful muscles! You are in the zone! I believe in you! Yeah, Jules! Show that Fifi how it's done! Poetry in motion! You're better than I thought!
I'm a trainer. Of course I know a thing or two. Okay, let's have some fun.
Who'd have thought it'd be this close?
I believe in you!
Can't take the pressure.
Okay, let's have some fun.
You're better than I thought. You are in the zone. How much training do you do? Yeah, cool. Show that 50 how it's done. I believe in you.
Who'd have thought it'd be this close?
How much training do you do? Poetry in motion. You're better than I thought.
You can do it, Jules! We're rooting for you!
I believe in you!
Woo! You are in the zone! I can't get enough of those beautiful muscles!
You're better than I thought.
Who'd have thought it'd be this close?
How much training do you do? Poetry in motion. Oh man, who's gonna win this one? Who called it hell? I can hear your muscles crying out in joy and pain. You're better than I thought.
No surprises there.
Couldn't keep up with you. Even as a trainer, I still have a lot to learn.
Don't tell anyone.
With these babies, you can send intruders flying. I guarantee this is... Only a few left. Get yours while you can.
Oh, champ! Couldn't have picked a better time. This Kyrie chick totally flaked on her match, which means we're down a fighter, and we can't exactly pit the other guy against himself. What do you say? Mind taking her spot?
I'll take it.
Sweet! You're a real wall market hero, man. Crowd's gonna go wild when they see you.
The hell you doing here? Where's the girl, Kyrie? That thieving little pipsqueak? Guessing he's the guy she's running from.
Kyrie's not coming. You'll have to make do with us.
Whatever. I can roll with it. After all, you and me, we got unfinished business.
In a shocking turn of events, our next bout is now a grudge match. Which of these two will claim victory in today's Angel Cup? Fighters, begin!
Get ready. Anytime now. I got your number. Heads up! Pay attention.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, it's my turn! Go long!
Freeze!
Stop now! Don't you let us down!
Brace yourself.
Our reigning champion does it again! Not only does he retain his crown, but now he can add Beast Whisperer to his list of impressive achievements!
Ha! That wasn't too much trouble.
Watching you guys fight gave me goosebumps. Hope your next match is even better than the last. Hey, been waiting for you. So, what are you in the mood to fight?
Enough of that! You ain't getting out of this! Hope you don't mind if I fit into the hole. And don't come back! There you have it. Suck on this! Yeah! Kiss my ass! Stay down, asshole! Gotta beat it head on! Enough of that! It hurts, don't it? Gotta love
No surprises there. Would kill for a shower.
Come on!
Keep it up!
Cool off! Give him your all! What? Okay!
No surprises there. Worked up a good sweat. No surprises there.
Come back anytime you want to fight.